Hello guys, today I have a program. Hello guys, today I have program. Write a program to take input in double dimension array, which is form of matrix, size m cross n, and display the in the matrix format. So here I will use double dimension matrix, and we will learn about how to take input in the matrix and how to display it in the matrix format. Now we will move on the BlueJ. I have opened BlueJ. Now I am taking class matrix. Name of the class is matrix. First of all, we will start from to take input. I will use scanner class. Now I am importing scanner class. Now I am declaring a class which its name is matrix. Class matrix. After that, I am taking a main method. I am here taking a main method. In the main method block, first of all, here I want to input a matrix. So first of all, I have to take size of array or matrix, we can say. So I will display the message to user that enter the size of the matrix. Now we will use system dot println enter the size of matrix. To take input size, I will use two variables, which is int r for row assigned. We will use here. I am not declared scanner class object. First, I have to declare scanner class object to take input. Scanner sc new scanner system dot in. Here I am taking here I have declared a object which name sc, which is from scanner class. Now I write here to take input from the keyboard. We will use with the help of scanner class object sc dot next int. So it will help to take number of row. In the same way, I have to take another variable column. So in the same way, we can input the number of columns. So here user are given the number of rows is r and number of columns in c variable. Now I am declaring a array which is size of R and C. In the question here, I am taken M cross N, so I am writing M and N, not row and column. You can give any name because these are identifiers. According to my question, here I mentioned M cross N, so I given here M cross N. Now I am declaring it double dimensional array. Int A, it is double dimensional array, so I will write 2 times square bracket. For the single dimensional array, we will use single square bracket, but here is double dimensional array, so I will use this. New data type int, here is R. I will also use 2 square bracket. In the first bracket, I will use size, number of rows. Here number of rows m, and the other square bracket I will use size of column, number of column n. I hope you understood this. Now we will write here. I am declared the matrix or double dimensional, we can say this. So I will input in the array, double dimensional array, which is in the form of matrix. So taking input in the double dimensional array, we will use nested for loop. First, I will take a loop on the I, int I assign 0. We are starting from 0 because indexes are also started from 0. So I will use here I from 0. I is less than size. What here not you can say size. Here you can say number of rows. Here number of rows m and I plus plus. Now here in the for block, I will take another for block j. J is int j. J. This is for columns. Here sign 0. J will be less than n and j plus plus. Now to take input any double dimension array, we will use this format. First of all, I loop and second j loop. I loop is responsible for rows and j loop responsible for column. Now we will write here code. So I will write here I a name of the array, double square bracket. In the first square bracket I will write I, and second square bracket I will write j. New, sorry, not new. I will take this value from the user, so I will write sc, which is object of scanner class, dot next int. Now user will give any value which will be stored in corresponding index, which containing the value of I and j. That means first, when I equals to 0, j equals to 0, it will be stored in the 0 0 on the 0 0 index. Here in outer side of the for block, I have to display a message also. because I am taking input from the user. So I will display here, enter the elements of the array. Now I am done here. System dot out dot println enter the elements of array matrix. Now for each value of I and j, one value from the keyboard uh, is this will be each value for of ij corresponding values inputted and goes to corresponding element. Now I am taking I am trying to display the matrix. So here I will keep another message. Now here input part is completed. Now I am displaying the array elements in the matrix format. Now I will write system dot out dot println array element, or you can say matrix are matrix. Now to display each element from the double dimension array, I will also take two loops which as I taken in for input for int I start from 0, I is less than size of them I plus plus. For j int j, here I have to make a block. I am taken a block. In the for block, I am taken another for block int j, which is responsible for column assign 0, j is less than, and j plus plus. Now I will display here message system dot out dot print. Here I will not use println because when I use println, it will be goes in the next line. I will not use here. So println. I know I want here each element are displays back to back. So I am using here print. I will write here a of I and j. To separate each element, I have to use here blank space in the string so that each element are separated with space. Now we know that j loop is responsible for column. When loop is completed, that means one row is completed. So I will use here system.out.println because to change the line. After one row completed, I will display the element in the next column, next row. So I will Here write message system dot out dot print ln here. This is used for change the row because the here when I, I one iteration completes it will be goes the next column next row. So to change the row I will use this line. This line will be in the outer block and outside of the inner for. So this is the way we can display a matrix. So now we are completed our program. Now compile it and try to display the output. Now compiling this compiled successfully. Now we are displaying how it runs. Now enter the size of matrix. I am taking here 2 and 3. Now I have to enter the matrix elements. I am giving here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So matrix it will be displayed the in the matrix format. But here is some mistake 111555. I think I am taken any mistake. Right now I am checking what is error here. What is error here? I am writing I J. Here will be I J. Now I am again creating instance of the class. So displaying enter the size of matrix. I am right now taking the cross tool which has 3 rows and 2 columns. Now I can input 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now matrix which has 3. Now it is correct output. Desired output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now this is the end of the program. I hope you will understood this. Thank you.